operations using the Simulink. We will generate a sine wave function, differentiate it and integrate it. Let's do step by step. We'll take sine wave block into the model. Double click on it. Here amplitude we set to 1. Then frequency is 2 radian per second. This indicates y of t is equal to sine of 2t. This is our base function. Then we take derivative block. Then we take a derivative block, derivative block, and connect it to the sine wave block. In calculus, the derivative of sine 2t is 2 cos 2t. The derivative block in a Simulink helps to compute this automatically. Then we will take integrator block, and connect it to the sine wave output. This integration is the reverse of differentiator. The integral of sine 2t is minus 1 by 2 cos 2t. The integrator block computes this for you. Then we have to see the output. We have to take scope. Here we have to change the number of input ports, signals and ports. Here number of input ports set to 3. The base function sine 2t is connected to the first input. Then the differentiator output is connected to the second of the scope. Then the integration is connected to the third. Now let's see the result. Here we have to add 3 plot planes. The first waveform is sine 2t. The second is derivative 2 cos 2t. And the third one is integral of sine 2t is minus 1 by 2 cos 2t. Thank you.